With so many dash cams on the market, it's hard to decide which one to go for, but there certainly is a brand that stands out from the rest. This is the VOX Dual Dash Cam. So basically that means we are getting both front and rear recording for the price of under £110. But is it worth it? Stay tuned and I'll certainly let you know. So unboxing the VOX Dual Dash Cam and you'll notice you're getting a ready-for-action device straight out of the box. You've got the device itself, power cable which comes with a port on top to ensure your dash cam isn't taking up all the external power sources. 2 adhesive layers to get this on your windshield, some little clips to help you with ensuring you get a nice professional install, and finally to help with that further is a prior tool to help with removing dashes or trims. So looking around the device, and on the front you have a 3 megapixel camera. Not that great for megapixels, but for most devices like this, that's pretty much standard. Its lens does allow for a 170-degree angle of recording throughout, so you aren't going to miss out on any recording needed. There is an IMX307 sensor in this device, so that will allow for increased image quality. You will get simultaneous capture from the road outside and the footage on the inside with the built-in camera here too. So the cabin camera is actually pretty impressive and stands out from the crowd in terms of that infrared night vision. The camera has a 1.8 aperture and 4 IR lights to help with that night vision recording even better. Like I said, these devices will record simultaneously, but when both are in operation, you're looking at a recording quality of 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. If you choose to only use the front camera, the image quality stays the same, but you can get 60 frames per second instead of 30. Footage does certainly look a lot more fluent at higher speeds when you're using 60 frames per second. Installation couldn't be any more easier. Just simply add the supplied adhesive strip and finally find the perfect location for installation. The adhesive is more than strong enough to support the device, and you won't get no wobble or any falling of the device in the near future. One of the best places to put the dash cam is behind the rear view mirror, which will not only be hidden from unsuspecting people, but won't impede your vision out of that rear view mirror. If you want a clean and tidy cable management, the supply clips will allow you to adhere them to your screen and create a much more manageable path for the cable, almost completely hidden. If you want to step that installation up even further, you can use the prior tool to get rid of your trims and dash to ensure your cable is completely hidden, then just reinsert back on again. Whatever you decide once plugged in, you're pretty much good to go. There are quite a few different things to play around with. Firstly, you do have a 24 hours parking mode that allows for the dual cameras to auto-record once the front or inside camera detects collision. That also can be anything from a door slamming to the rocking of the car. Even without power to the dash cam, you will get roughly just under 20 minutes of video recording if your device is fully charged, which, like the manufacturer says, is more than enough to monitor your car each and every night once you leave your car unattended. The lock the emergency recording function allows for you to optimize the use out of that G sensor further. When the dashcam detects a sudden shake or collision, it will lock the footage to the event file to prevent the footage from being overwritten by the loop recording function, which the device uses to ensure you always have recording space. So that built-in GPS module does quite an impressive job of recording your driving trajectory, speed and position, along with time and date of each recording. Whether you're on Mac or Windows, the free VOX Player software does a fantastic job of showing you each recording with all the live data and information you need. There's no denying the image quality of every captured footage is not too bad. It's not fantastic, but it's more than good enough for any future event that might unfortunately happen. The night vision from within the car is great too. You can certainly make out faces pretty well. Take a look at the product in the links in the description to find direct links to Amazon whatever country you're from. And obviously let me know what you think. Till next time.